Checky, checky, lesson 5. Let's go to Blender game and let's do some other funky stuff to this cube. This is just a plain cube. Let's do some stuff. Let's change it. I think if you hit tab, it just changes it to edit mode. So hit tab. Hit tab again, it goes into object mode. Or come down here and click edit mode. Okay? Now, it kind of gives it that yellow shading. That means we're in edit mode and we're ready to edit this thing. Okay. Let's and down here you've got 3, so now we have a vertex select. So I can select the vertex and I can yank that out. Okay? I can select a couple vertices. If I hold shift and left click and then pull those vertices out. Control Z. And I can do all 4. Right click and right click, sorry, I said left click. So it's grabbing the vertices, only the vertices. And then I just pull this out. Boom. Okay? Let's just grab one. So I'm going to grab one and I'm just going to hit G so I can pull it in any direction. Okay? You see how funky I can edit these things? Now, you don't just have to grab a point or a vertex. Let's grab a edge. So I come down here and choose edge select, and now I hit G and now I can pull that edge out. I can edit this from that edge. I can also grab a face. So I grab the face and I edit that from the face. So there's lots of funky things that you can do to create using edit mode. And then when I come back in here in object mode, now my cube looks kind of awkward. Right? So I'm going to Control Z back and hit tab to go into edit mode. And I'm going to grab this. I'm going to grab the edge, the top edge, and I'm just going to pull it down. So I'm just going to go like that. And actually, yeah, let's just go right there. Okay? So now I made a triangle out of my cube. So do that, and then what I want you to do is I want you to put 6 more items. So well, we'll say this one is 1. So this is 1. You have to have 6 total items. And now to move that, I'm in edit mode, remember. I can't move this whole thing now. So I got to go back to object mode, and now I can move it. Well, that's what I wanted to do. Now to edit it, I got to go back or hit tab. And now I can do some edits. So do this one first. So this one's required. And then what I want you to do is add 5 more. So you have to have a total of 6 objects that you just made an edit to. So I should be able to see what the edit is. Okay. So if I just put any sort of, well, let's not use a ball. If I do any sort of mesh, what kind of edit is done to it? So I put the cone in and then I go to edit mode. Okay, maybe I just grab a couple of, and if I want to grab more than one at the same time, I'm holding shift down. So maybe I hold shift down and I grab every other one. I don't know. And then I edit it from there. I can tell that this has been edited in edit mode. It's really goofy. Okay? So just do 6 of them, and they don't have to be. You can play around with them, and you can try to draw different characters using edit mode. All I want to see is that you know how to get into edit mode, and you know. Actually, let's do this. At least you have to do 5 of them, but you have to have 3 that are different. So at least one has to be edited from an edge, one from a vertex or a vertice, and one from a face. Okay, so they're all edited, or at least 3 have different edits to them, and then you can choose what you want to do to the other 2. Okay, so at least 6. Edit mode. Lesson 5b.